What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today I want to talk about fans. Okay, if you are one of those that live in a hot environment, you know how essential these are in 2025. Okay, so all of these, I have been using them for the past 2 years, and this is just half of the collection that I have. The other half, I have no idea where they are. They're scattered in backpacks and everything. And yeah, I just want to show you guys my collection right here, okay? The one thing that I learned about all of these fans throughout the years is that some are a little bit bigger than the others. They have more functionality. They're just plain Jane small and does okay wind in 100-degree weather. And then you find some of these that have little water on it, you know, ones that have a little nice little face, ones that goes around your neck and can stand on the desk, and so on and so forth. I mean, I've got fans all over the place. I have two that I haven't even opened yet right here, by the way. So the one thing that I do want to get into is that who are each one of these things for? And so why am I doing this video? Well, first, let me just clean this table out, okay? This is the reason why I'm doing this video right here. This is from JISULIFE, all right? And they contacted me and asked if I wanted to try this fan out. And when I looked at it, I'm like, do I need another fan, guys? Then they sent me the brochure for it, and I took a look at it, and I'm pretty impressed. So this thing just came in, and I wanted to show you guys all of the little specs that's on this thing that literally, like, this is the godfather of fans right here. So let's open it up, and I'm gonna talk through it. I mean, come on, I'm not an expert in fans. There are certain things that I need. Number one, the wind has got to be super strong, okay? It's got to be able to keep up, especially in the triple-digit weather. JISULIFE promised me that it is one of the most powerful fan that I've ever seen, plus a lot more, all right? So first off, let's not test that yet, but I want to point out a couple of things. One is that it has a flashlight on here. Voila. This is super useful right here, guys, because if you are like us, you go to, let's say, balloon festival and things like that, and really you come out at night and you start walking in the dark street, this is going to be super helpful right here. Since you are going to have a fan with you at those hot festival anyway, might as well, right? I mean, add a light on there. I don't see why the other fan company wouldn't do that. So that's number one. By the way, the switch is right here. You switch it on and then you press the button to turn it on. Why is that helpful? Because, well, you don't want to just press the button to turn on. Because what happens there is that when you throw it in your bag, it does press the button and it'll turn on, it'll burn out your battery, okay? So it has a safety switch. You turn it on, then the light will come on, all right? So that's great right there. USB-C, obviously, I mean, it's 2025. You got to have USB-C, okay? There's a little lanyard right here, which I'm sure is in the box, but I'm just getting ahead of myself right here. You should be able to attach the lanyard right there. So this one right here, this is what turns on the fan. Now, obviously, the locking mechanism, love it. Turn that on, and now it turns on. And then you can increase. Whoa, okay, let's go down. All right, let's turn that off. But yeah, you increase the speed with this. I mean, very, very simple. Let's go into the box. This is what I'm looking for right here. This thing right here, you can use it to, well, they said to use to blow fire in a campfire. So you can actually use this to blow, you know, get the fire going in a campfire. So now let's try this other attachment, okay? So next attachment is this little nozzle right here. Now, the thing here is you see there are two little compartments right here. One of them has a little magnet inside of it. They came with a little brush right here. You attach that over there so you still got airflow out, but then you use this brush. It's not just a fan to keep you cool out in the sun. It is a multifunctional piece of work. I mean, my only problem right now is that how am I gonna keep these together? I gotta get a bag for it. I spoke too early. This box actually came with a little bag for me to keep all the accessory in. All right, last but not least though. Here's the lanyard I was telling you about. Pretty nice, not gonna lie. I'll install it in a bit. So they literally came with a little brush for you, keyboard and all that good stuff. I mean, they didn't really have to include this, by the way. They did not have to include this. No accessory. Pretty nice USB-C cord actually, because look, it's USB-A and USB-C. You see this? So now this thing is used to charge this device, right? I mean, obviously you plug it on this side, but here's the thing. This is also a power bank, okay? So imagine you're sitting there at a festival, parking lot is full. You don't want to get out because it takes too long to walk to your car. Well, guys, this thing is charging right now. You plug it in, it charged. Look, it tells you the percentage, 32% right now. That's what it's sitting at. So, guys, I mean, you throw this in your bag, you go to a festival, you go to a club, whatever it is. This is an all-in-one solution right here. This is a 9,000 milliamp battery right here. You know how big a 9,000 milliamp battery is? Well, I can't find a 9,000 milliamp battery, but a 10,000 milliamp battery. This is how big a 10,000 milliamp battery is right here compared to this. Guys, I mean, and this thing does one thing, which is charge your phone. Now you got this multifunctional festival. I keep saying festival because I really want to go to one, by the way. Coachella's coming up. Anyway, not going to go there. Let me just compare this fan that I have on here. Okay, so max level is 6 on this thing. And this is how it's blowing this. Okay? Oh my gosh. Guys, there's no comparison. So, overview. 9,000 milliamp battery that can charge your phone. It's also a flashlight. By the way, 3 level of brightness. I didn't show you guys that, but this is really bright. You're trying to find your friend in a Coachella festival. This is it right here. And then obviously the fan. Now, last but not least, I haven't even gone into the build quality of this thing because, well, you look at this and you're like, oh yeah, it looks great. But guys, the entire thing is metal. Metal. All right, so at the end of the day, I mean, you look at this thing, you're like, is it really worth the price? Yeah, it's worth the price because you're gonna have to carry all of this right here. I mean, some of these does some of those things, but none of them do it all. Like this little fan right here. Anyway, I want to thank JISULIFE for sending me this because this is incredible. I know my wife's gonna steal this from me, so I might have to buy one myself. Anyway, guys, that's it for me. I'm out.